Video number 14. A guide on social media advertising. YouTube video ads. YouTube's growing prominence has shown that it can serve as much more than just a way to share adorable kitten videos. It has become a highly effective venue for accessing massive audiences through online advertising. Explore how to create YouTube ads for best results. YouTube mobile video ads. There are two main types of YouTube ads. 1. Mobile roadblocks, which are one-day ads on the homepage of the YouTube mobile site. They do not appear on the YouTube mobile app. How to set in-stream video ads, which are shown to Android YouTube app users and mobile site users when they play a video from a premium inventory partner. How to set up YouTube video ads in AdWords. Step 1. Set up your YouTube advertising account. Create an AdWords account or get access by sending this video to your AdWords account manager. Create a YouTube account. Step 2. How to set up a YouTube video ad campaign. 1. Make sure the video you would like to use for your ad is uploaded as a public or unlisted video on your YouTube channel. 2. From the AdWords dashboard, click the plus campaign button. 3. Select video from the drop-down. 4. Name your campaign. 5. Select Standard. Step 3. Choosing your network, where your campaign will show. To run YouTube search ads and YouTube display network or pre-roll ads, you will need to create an ad group for each. To do so, you will simply select multiple networks here and then repeat step 5 for each ad group. A. YouTube search ads, YouTube and display ads. Similar to AdWords search ads, YouTube ads with YouTube search network checked will show for relevant keywords within YouTube search and related videos based on targeting specifications made at the ad group level. And step 5. Pictured in the next slide are the various placements on YouTube.com for your YouTube search ads, YouTube search results, YouTube related videos, YouTube overlay, partner websites. B. YouTube Display Network, YouTube and Stream Ads. Also known as pre-roll ads, video ads with YouTube Videos Network selected will be able to target based on who is viewing the video, which video to show before, and/or which video topic you would like to show for. See video partners on the display network. You can show pre-roll videos on Google's partnered sites. This includes pre-roll ads shown before any video embedded in site you choose. Pre-roll ads shown before any video embedded in sites of a certain topic. YouTube search ads on Google partner sites. This is how they look. Step 4. Set campaign location, language, and devices targeting. Set your preference for location. Set your language targeting. Choose which devices to show for. Advanced settings overview. If you'd like to have a start date and end date of your campaign, or would like to set up an ad schedule for when your ad will show, do so under Ad Delivery. Click Save and Continue. Step 5. Creating your YouTube video ad group. As mentioned in Step 3, if you are only doing pre-roll ads for a single video, or only doing YouTube search for a single video, you only need to create one ad group. For multiple ad groups, simply repeat these steps for each ad group. Name your ad group, including the intended placement, in stream or in display, in the ad group name. Paste your ad's URL from YouTube. Choose in display versus in stream. Scroll up to Step 3 to see the difference. Set your maximum CPV or cost per view bid strategy. Finalize targeting. A. Set your demographics to narrow your targeting to certain ages, parental statuses, age, and gender. B. Set your interest targeting to access people who are interested in certain categories or are currently in certain markets like currently employment industry or education status. To even further segment your audience, click the Narrow Your Targeting optional drop-down. Keywords. Set the keywords for which you would like your ad to show, placements. If there are certain YouTube channels or videos you would like to pre-roll your ads on, enter them here. Remarketing. Show your ads to people who visited your website and are now watching YouTube videos. Topics. Topics are a great way to target a more relevant audience to your product or service. Click Save Ad and Ad Group. That's it. You're now ready to create, run, and optimize ads on YouTube. Now it's time to reach your ideal customers on the world's most popular social video network. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.